So, like in this closure diary video, we are going to look at the stuff called Ripple. Okay, let me say what Ripple is, right? So, hopefully, if you have Clojure installed, so let me just try it over here, right? And you just put CLJ, right? So, it will launch a thing called closure ripple. So what is closure ripple? So if I just put like okay plus one and one, okay, so it will read this. What is one plus one and one? That is like plus one one. It'll read it'll read this entire stuff and it'll evaluate. So evaluating this will give two, right? And then it'll print it. So it is printed over here and it loops around. Okay, so once again it gives prompt. Okay, so it is a ripple. Okay, so like yeah, and then I can just put something like okay def what to say two is what to say plus one one and option. Okay, yeah, if I just put like enter it'll just give you two, and now if I just put two and I'll just get it. Okay, to stop a closure ripple, you just put Control D. That's it. Okay. So this is what Ripple is. And yeah, Ripple is very important so that like it also works in Leningin project. Okay. So how to launch this Ripple? So let me just exit this terminal over here, right? Actually, there is a Ripple running. Okay. I'll do something to stop this ripple and then I'll just launch the ripple again. So to stop this ripple, I'll just put a thing called jack out. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, yeah, so that's the thing. Now I just want to put a ripple, like because this ripple driven development is very, very powerful. Okay, so I just want to show it to you. And of course, that's what Clojure is like, or maybe that's what Lisp is. Okay, so this driven development is super powerful. It gives you superpowers compared to other languages. Okay, so now what I just do is I'll just okay, this is my VS Codium, or you can also use VS Code if you want to be tracked by Microsoft. Okay, but I use VS Codium because I don't want to be tracked, and I don't think I've got anything to hide, but I don't want to be tracked. Okay, and that's the thing. Who are they to know what I'm up to, right? Okay, so now what I can just do is I can put like Command P, okay, and I can just press this greater than key. Okay, that is if I press Shift and dot key, it will become greater than, and then I can just say like Jack in. Okay, so over here, you just see the option like start a project Ripple and all those things. Okay. Or I can do it like this. I can just put like Command Shift P. Command Shift P. All the keys should be typed at once. So press Command, press Shift, and type P. Okay. So now I can just put Jack in, right? So this is the thing. So it's not like, okay, like copy Jack in command line to clipboard. No, I'm not interested in that. The first one. Okay, just click on it. Okay, so that's the thing, and it'll ask what to say like type and all those things, and what to say, choose Leningin. I don't know what is this for. Okay, so I'll just give enter, and that's it. In some time the ripple will launch. Okay, so in terminal you're just seeing something is happening over here. This, what to say, this output Calva ripple, yeah, that will be the place where you can work and all those things. It does take some time to launch. I don't know why. Right, look over here. Look, this is what it just shows: N ripple and 127001 means it's your own laptop, and it's in port 51554. Look, if you don't understand about TCP and what ports are, just forget it. Okay, like don't put it in your brain and mess it up. Okay, so okay, essentially I just want this ripple over here in right. Okay, so I'll just put like this by splitting the window, and this I just don't want it here. Okay, so now in this ripple you can do whatever you want. Like you can just type +1 +1. You can do all sort of okay, like closure prototyping over here, right? And then when it's okay, you can transfer it to your file here, right? So okay, like now let me just open a file like decorator.clj. Okay, I just want it in this window, right? So this is how I just work. My files will be here, and my code will be here, my ripple will be here, right? So that's how I just work. And what I just do is like I'll just keep it over here, option enter. So look, it has gone to this namespace decorator, and I'll just keep it over here and hit option enter. Look, there are other ways to execute execute it too, but I'm just telling you the simplest way. Okay, so that's the thing. And this print stars got loaded. Now I can just call this call this print stars. Okay, so print stars. Okay, so that's how it is, right? And it'll print. Okay, in Ripple it will, whenever you just put println, it'll print as a closure comment. That is the first, it'll be followed, it'll be prepended with semicolon. I don't know exactly why, but in Canva that is over here. Like Canva is an excellent tool, and I do encourage you to, what to say, go and check what it is and read its documentation. Its creator has put excellent videos, and there is a bug with Brave Search. I just think every time it just gives 500 internal server error and just goes to the page. Okay, fine, right, okay. So it is in Canva IO. I don't know my, I don't know why my internet slows down when there's OBS and all those stuff. Yeah, so please go through the site and go through his tutorial videos and all those things. I don't know where his tutorial videos are. Yeah, maybe start here, right? So excellent videos. Okay, so I think a video will load here, right? So yeah, get started with Clojure in VS Code, and he's a really great guy, right? So frankly, like I don't know, a person like me wouldn't have started with Clojure without Canva. Like look, we would have gone to a level, but what to say, like now I'm able to explain it fluently, right? So Canva is one of the major stepping stones for that. Okay, so anyway, if I don't know the name of the creator, but you're the creator of Canva, and if you're watching this video, thank thanks a lot. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so I encourage you to go and check what Canva is. Maybe whatever I say might not be enough. Okay, so okay, so yeah, so you just know how to put a file and how to, what to say, execute it. Now let me just keep a new file and do it. Okay, so because it's, that's how I've written my book. Okay, so that's the thing. So what I'll just do is like, yeah, I've just started the repel and all those stuff, and what to say, and yeah. So now I'll just create a file like, okay, like ripple.clj, repl.clj. Look, it can be any name, right? But I'm just giving like ripple.clj, right? So right, so over here, wish me, I'll just create a new file. Okay, so ripple.clj, right? So okay, I don't know why it's appearing over here. I just want to put it over here, right? Okay, let me close all other files, right? So that's the thing. Okay, so Canva is intelligent enough. It'll just put wishme.ripple.clj. Now I can just write a function over here. I'm just copying and pasting it, but I hope you people type it. Okay, so that's the thing, and then save it. Okay, me, actually you can even do it without saving in Ripple. Okay, so that's the thing. So now what I just do is like I'll just keep my cursor over here, put hit option enter. Look over here, if you see at the right, this thing, this namespace, wishme.ripple got loaded. Okay, so now I can just load this function. Oops, I need to keep it over here. Okay, keep it anywhere, right? And that is in this scope. Okay, I think in Clojure it is called as form. Okay, so just keep it anywhere, right? And hit option enter, right? Now this thing got loaded. Testing Ripple. Okay, so now you can just call this function testing Ripple, and that's it. Okay, I should put option enter, not enter. So option enter. Or yeah, I think in Windows, or what to say, in Linux, it's, I think it's control enter. Okay, so and similarly to launch this Ripple, right? So over here, like I would have put like command P. I think it should be like, okay, what to say, like for you it should be control P. Okay, and if I hit command shift P for this thing, for this, what to say, I don't know what to call this. Okay, like for all this Visual Studio Code controls. Okay, so I think you need to put like control shift P. Okay, so that's the thing. Unfortunately, I'm doing it on Mac. Okay, but okay, I just got it for a data science project, but I'm sorry about it. Okay, so Mac is not a real computer. That's what I just feel. No matter whatever they do, they are not open enough. Okay, so that's the thing. So yeah, so this is how you just launch a Ripple. And look, in terminal. Okay, where is my terminal? I need to pull it over here. Okay, something is running, right? So something is running in terminal. So this N Ripple is running in port 51554. Okay, now I'll just put like, okay, Control Shift P or Command Shift P depending on your OS. And okay, there is a thing called jack out. Okay, so jack in means, yeah, you're just launching the Ripple. Just imagine like, okay, there is a car and you just need to work on its internal. So what you'll do is like you'll just lift the car with a jack, right? So that's what I think jack in means. Jack out means, okay, if everything is okay, yeah, you'll just lower the car. That's jack out. Okay, so that's the thing, right? Okay, stop, kill, Ripple, or whatever, right? So just choose this option. I'll just hit enter, and that's it. Look over here, the Ripple got killed, and over here the connection was closed. Okay, so that's how Ripple works. Okay, and it's a very very excellent tool. And yeah, and you must be familiar with Ripple. And what is written in my book right now is not enough. Okay, I sorry, I highly encourage you to visit Calva.io, and please learn from it. It's an excellent tool, and the author of it has put it in a very very easy way. So yeah, if possible, contribute to Canva. Like if you have money enough, maybe if you are working in a company where in a company that listens to its developers. Unfortunately, that's very rare, but if a company listens to its developers, please tell them about Clojure and Calva, and possibly tell them to don't possibly ask them to donate to the community. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching this video. Bye.